Thanks to all of you who are here this morning. I want to appreciate your presence. Also appreciate the presence of our class of 2019.
As the ANC government, we also pride ourselves that the number of learners who pass matric continues to increase every year, with learners from poor background obtaining best results against all odds.
Honorable Shem, to please come on stage and pronounce the results, and also to tell the province of KwaZulu-Natal on how the province has performed. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now take this opportunity to present to you the 2019 National Senior Certificate results. As KwaZulu-Natal, we have improved again and obtained 81.3% from 76.2% in 2018. This is a historic achievement since the 1994 democratic breakthrough, as this pass rate for NSC exams is comparable to none in the past. The 80% target has finally been reached, and today we proudly join the league of other provinces who are within the 80% bracket.
KwaZulu-Natal has been improving its matriculation results. Our matric results have been steadily rising, moving from 66.4% in 2016 to 72.9% in 2017 and to 76.2% in 2018. And today we are celebrating 81.3%. Let's give all of those who are in the education sector a big round of applause.
It does not matter whether you are from a rural area or poor family, it will always improve the well-being of your family and yourself, also your country. Congratulations to all what you endeavor. Thank you very much.